Hey, how's everyone doing today? Um, this is the weekend of trading. So, like I said, this new series, I'll try my best to post my daily trading recaps and my back testing as well to see how I improved. So, last video, I really had a really bad trading day because price just went off. I didn't realize the bigger picture, so that's why I'm back testing today to remodel my strategy and hopefully become profitable with this plan I'm creating. And you guys should too. So this is gold charting. You can search it up on your web. It's essentially it's like FX replay but free. And you have like more features compared to FX replay that you have to pay for them. So this is what I use. I mean, I had to do some research on it. Then I also had to convert like my chart displays from like trading view up to here, like the color, background. I mean, I almost got everything similar. Everything is actually here. I can actually do like four screens, like four different time frames displayed here. Like this is three already. So, I mean, it's really helpful and useful. And all you need to do is just make an account. There's no like time period. You just have to make an account and everything is there for you. And you can actually get a lot of data that from them. So that's one thing I actually wanted to point out. So today we're just gonna back test. This is a pound dollar. We're gonna back test this black candle because I traded this bullish one. I already know where price action did. Like I traded week, so this is weekly time frame or one daily time frame. So we're gonna trade this first one. So you can also use the replay mode on every time frame, but it's like you can switch. Like it has a maximum candles. Like let's say it's 30,000 candles, right? You can get 30,000 candles on this word of data. But on the 5 minute, it's gonna be times six or times seven of that. But it has a max, remember. So it can go past a certain limit. You have to like stop the replay, then go to 5 minutes, then do that again. But I mean, I have two separate ones. I start with the higher time frame just to mark out the highs and lows of the week and whatnot. Then I start my real analysis on the 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and the 1 hour. I can't do it on 1 minute because it's like more candles, like I said. So you see. So this is pound dollar. We're gonna do Monday 24th of February. So right here, I'm gonna get my tool, mark out the week's highs and lows. We'll see what price is favorite for us. We're just gonna do one day today because I don't want to make it too long, and it's like an intro video. I could post more if you guys want to see more of that. Just make sure you leave a comment so I'll like create more space if I could do it live. I think that's much better rather than doing it in video form. We did the same thing, and it actually reflects. Yeah, it reflects on each time frame right here. So yeah, we're done basically with the 1 week. So we go to 1 day and see what we can find. I essentially like to put it like in front, so I know okay everything at the back. Or I know we're doing the previous week. Everything at the back is good. So now I'm done with this, right? What do? I'm gonna go here, more layouts, and do the four. The maximum is here. These two stops at these, so I don't think I get it. Yeah, so it says I have to upgrade, right? So for free, we can do the box one, or you can do the vertical one. Still can't do the vertical, so it's only the box one. So that's really get them out there. So we're gonna do 3 minutes, we're gonna do the 5 minutes, we'll do the 15 minutes, we're gonna do the 1 hour, the 16. So it's like you have to do 60 minute 1 hour. It's almost the same, but that's just it. And you have a whole lot of time frames to choose from. Like you can have custom converted to like trading view, or you can't. So I have to always zoom out and scroll all the way back so I find my lines. I always like doing it on the lower time frame because I have to scroll a lot. The different session points, is a session, long session, entry points. And I also did my analysis, cut the video short. So basically, this is how I backtest. Might look like a lot right now, but I mean, that's my method. I saw from the weekly because it's not easy to change out to weekly, so I use TradingView for that. Let me pull it up for you guys. So we're going bearish, right? We're going bearish. So we're going bearish at like 8 o'clock. So what did I realize? I realized that price didn't seem to be going bullish anytime soon. I didn't feel that. And number two is also on Monday. I don't like trading on Mondays typically. I might have to adjust my schedule for Monday to be much earlier so I can catch the move. But I don't like placing long trades like the duration being long because right now the news today, so market was just going at its own pace. And I would say we did lose this trade right here. We did lose it, even though it took almost a day and a half to. We didn't even get any take profits. I filled my order block, my 15-minute order block right here when I caught this reversal. I caught this bearish reversal. So we're gonna go down because I knew price was gonna eventually reverse around here. And zoom all the way back down to the 4 hour one because beginning of the week we actually knocked Asian session actually knocked out the weekly previous week's high, and that's our previous week high. So from that, we just took our decision and just wanted to go short due to feel the imbalance because I know price did go up because it wanted to fill this imbalance right here. So that's what it typically did, but it actually conquered it. So just set our fair value gap, inverse fair value gap as well. Also set our breaker block, order block, and I entered in the middle of our order block. So I set my take profit stop loss at London second high. I take profit at 4 hour charts. Then to get my lows, just went back in time to see where I would be able to find these lows that built liquidity right here. So we built orders on these zones. So I did that. Then 50% of my third low and my first take profit. So 50% of that and got here. So we did lose the trade. I can fast forward actually. Price didn't even budge. Like it was just so wavy. It wasn't like it was indecisive basically. That's all I'll say. Price didn't even touch our take profit or near it. So Mondays I might just come earlier, like 8:30. I might enter the trades because right now I don't think it's a good time. One thing I also do at the beginning of session starts is to see what the other session did and whether it's gonna mimic it or doesn't. So that's typically my trading, my backtesting day today. I'm gonna do more of these. I prefer to do a lot of days at once. So I might do a live stream if you guys aren't interested in that. So yeah, without further ado, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys have a great evening It's gonna come out really late, but hope you guys have a great evening and peace.